alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Justice Junaid. After 7 days workshop, we were given to make a chart, what we did, what we experienced. So I would like to explain what I was before DYS and after DYS. Now explaining the chart, and it's covering everything about Nazariya and human being. I would like to give my own experience, why I came to DYS. You know, I am into Dawa. I have this into counseling and everything. You know, I do Ruqya, so 10% people are suffering from jinn or jadoo, but 80% people have problems. Home problems, family problems, financial problems, all these problems, and they come to me, they recite their graves, but I don't have solution to it. So every time they come, I give solutions. Some solutions are there, but most of the times it is I get stuck. And always I used to remember Sadatullah Khan, because I have done his classes, and it was a long time. There's a long gap between when I did the classes, and so I have forgot many of the things. So I always remembered if Sadatullah Khan would have taught me how to solve this problem, because he solves it very effectively. And so it was this last 4-5 months, it was coming to my mind regularly if I would get training. So I took out all his papers and everything. I held 1 or 2 classes also, Discover Yourself with the students and all those things. But it was not complete. So there was lacking. I was always wanting. You know, all of a sudden one day I received an email from him that their training session is good. I immediately said yes. This is the time I should go and learn it. So I came here, and I asked him when should I book the ticket. He said just wait for 10th of July, then we will decide. Then at the 10th of July, our email came now you can it is fixed, you can go forward. So I booked it and I came. So in my mind behind was why I want to do this solution. What is happening? If the solution is not there, leave it, forget it. Why should I bother so much? What I know, I give it and take it. Why I was persistent to solve the solution? Because one hadith is there, if you solve a problem of anyone in this world, Allah will remove a big problem in the day of judgment. So that's the very thing. In the day of judgment, we will be carried with lots of problems, big problems. And small problems you are solving here, and Allah will move a big problem. So we should be connected with that, not for money, not for anything else, for Allah's sake, so that Allah removes a big problem from me at the day of judgment. So I came to this class. So first 1 or 2 days I came, my mind was occupied. I was learning, I was getting it, but I was not really connected. Even when in the morning I used to go for the exercises, all those, I was doing it, but it was not coming from inside. It was not just coming from inside. So I started doing the classes, but when I changed, I just don't know, because there was also problems with businesses having. There were so many problems were there, but I could not. My mind was so occupied, so heavy that I could not solve all the problems. But 2 days back I found, when my wife told me these problems is there, these are problems there. When I got this, when it went into me, I don't know. But when my wife told me, I could see I can solve the problems. Ye problem ka ye ho jayega. So it was coming into alignment with it. Very easily I could see I can solve the problems. Today morning also, when I went to the classes, I was doing the exercises, it was coming out from inside me. It was not that I was forcing to be doing, I am doing something from outside, but just I have to do, that's what I am doing. But today it was coming from inside, I was enjoying it. All the exercises I enjoyed and everything. So I said something has been changed, but when it changed, how changed, I just don't know. But it has changed. So I'm experiencing it. My mind was heavy. It was always something is happening, what will happen, this will happen. But now since last 2 days, I am finding myself at peace, very peace. There's nothing, ठीक है, जब problem आएगा तब देखा जाएगा, उसमें solve होगा. But I'm at peace. I am not thinking about my office. I'm not thinking about this. I'm not thinking about it. I am present here. Hey, my full mind, and I am present here. So this is what I have gained, and I hope I go back, and I always be connected with this what you have taught, and I practice it. This is not the end of the class. This is the beginning. I'm taking it as a beginning. This is the time. Now I go and start doing it. I do practice and be always there, present, and occupy the things. And I hope I will be able to solve the problems and give the solution to human mind, not the answer, not the question and answers. I give solution. How to give the solution? What they are suffering. These things I should explain to them and get them out of the problems.